Hello friends, this is Megdost and today we are going to know about SMS Union. You can see in my hand, this is assembly of SMS Union. SMS Union is a type of hygienic pipe fitting in which SMS stands for Swedish Manufacturing Standard and it is used for connecting two pipes like that of flange joint. But there is a difference between flange joint and SMS Union joint. In flange joint we have to tighten up more number of nut and bolts, but in SMS Union joint only single nut. This is the main nut. If we tighten this nut, the joint get tighter. This type of joint is used mostly in food and pharmaceutical industry to connect the flexible as well as non-flexible pipes. Material, as earlier I said, this is a type of hygienic pipe fitting. The material used is SS304 and SS316. SMS Union is an assembly of 4 parts. This is assembly. Now I am going to disassemble the parts. Okay. These are the 4 parts of SMS Union. The main part, this is called SMS nut. This nut is act like a casing and all remaining parts fit inside the casing. It has internal threads from this end and there is a collar on other end. You can see over here. This is the collar. There are slots on circumference of nut. You can see these slots. These slots are for tightening purpose by using suitable spanner. This nut sometimes comes as a blind. Instead of this collar, there is a blind. If you want to blind some connection, at that time you can use this nut as a blind flange. Next part is a SMS weld mill. SMS weld mill. In this weld mill has threads at one end and this end is connected to the pipe. Towards threaded end there is a slot for gasket in which this gasket is going to fit. Like this, and this end is connected to the pipe. Next part is the SMS liner. This is SMS liner. There is a collar at one end. This collar is get fitted in collar of nut like this. You can see. And this end is connected to the pipe, welded to the pipe. And last part is the gasket. As per the fluid flowing through the pipe, the temperature, this gasket material is get changed. There are some gasket materials like PTFE, EPDM, silicone rubber, nitrile rubber. Now I am going to assemble this. The next part is up to what pressure we can use this SMS union. Up to the 16 bar pressure we can use this SMS union. A suitability, where we can suitably use this SMS union. It is used where system is frequently disassembled and assembled. That means we need only to tight this single nut and our joint will be tightened. If you like this information, please subscribe our channel. Make those for such beautiful information in the future regarding mechanical engineering. Thanks for watching.